Hello everyone, I am Dr. Odi Naidu, R&D Senior Principal Engineer at Hitachi Energy. India is a cosmic nation that is progressing towards an efficient surplus power supply. However, frequent power outages impact the people's quality of lives. Quick restoration of the power supply is critical, especially in remote areas as it is difficult to reach. The challenge arises from the fact that until now, utility providers had a difficulty in pinpointing the location of the fault in the grid. The teams had manually inspect the lines, find the location of the fault. This was not only very tedious, expensive and time-consuming process on a long transmission line, but it also posed a risk to the lives of the utility personnel. To mitigate the above challenges, we developed an innovative, economical, setting-free fault locator technology for a power transmission lines. Our solution can handle the complex power networks of the future. Its results are 10 times more accurate than existing fault locator technology in the industry. The solution is made available across all the protection devices with 1 kilo sampling hardware. The accuracy of this solution is comparable to the costlier traveling wave-based technology that uses 1,000 times higher sampling frequency. There is no need for additional hardware upgrade and communication bandwidth or complicated commissioning, engineering and settings. The solution is scalable to the complex power networks. The fault locator is adaptable and can enable the integration of greener resources to the grid like solar, wind, thereby contributing towards a sustainable energy future. With accurate fault locators and outage management in the place, India energy sector can fix the network faults efficiently and restore the power transmission line quickly, improve overall network availability and reliability, reduce repair and restoration cost by 80% for the utilities, consequently reduce the power bills for end customers, improve safety of the field staff, avoid high-cost patrolling methods like helicopter search and drone search, avoid unsafe crew patrolling, especially in difficult geographical terrains. With uninterrupted power supply, industries can boost their productivity while millions of people across India can enjoy an improved quality of life.